Now put it in your mouth. Good. Now dip it in the milk. Good. You want a drink? Let's do a drink. Okay. Does that help? No, let's get a new one now. Ready? Here's a new one. Dip it in the, here, this one. Take this one. Okay, dip it in the milk. Now put it in your mouth. Yeah. Now dip it in the milk. Now put it in your mouth. Yay! Now chew it up. We'll practice that part. Put it in your mouth. Good. Now let's get a drink.